Hi friends, thank you for coming to my channel, and sorry for the delay videos as we are quite busy in some other work. So we have been quite busy in our work. So in this today's video, everybody is saying that only you are publishing about the app publishing and all those things. Please try to suggest us some games are like that. So today's video we will going to show you one car game. This is built in the Android Studio, not in the Unity. It's built in the Android Studio. As you can see, there is some pictures of this car game. This is a completely layout and it has been ad mob with all settings and everything. So today I will going to show how to build that. As you can see, it has a ad mob ad network in this, and there is a use CPM also is there in this, and in our purchases ad remove section also is there. So this is there. So if you want this code also, you can buy in our website, that is unitygamesales.com. As I will going to give the link in the description also. You can just buy for the $5. It's not a big amount also. If you really like, you can able to download our app from this. You can able to buy from here, or you can able to chat with us also. We will going to reply to you. Okay, so let's we extract the first game, and so I already been extracted in the folder. So in this you will going to get the two things, and one is the documentation, the steps you need to be check. There is a completely Android Studio step by steps are there. So this is a Android Studio steps, and there is a step one. So these are the steps how you need to extract and import, and where you can able to find all those things. So this is a PDF one, and PDF there is already one more steps are there. Steps 2 also is there, how to update and how to reskin your products, and everything is there here. So what we will going to do, basic things I will going to show you. As in the document you can able to see, and you can able to do all the changes also here. So we will going to build our we will going to add, and if you need a support also, you can call them, or it's up to you then. So okay, so here is a code document is there. So this is a file of the code. So we will just going to copy here, and we're going to open the Android, and here don't open on the new project, open on open, and here you need to add the documentation. It is in a car and drive highway. Let's click on OK. Yes, we trust the project. So as you can see, our project has been loading here. So it's been whenever you open any project, it takes some time to synchronize with your projects. So just wait for a little while.